Imagine that you own property in British Columbia. No, not that property. That's more like it. Now, every year, BC Assessment places a value on that property. A lot is riding on that number, like your tax bill. So you've got to wonder, is that assessment fair? And what do I do if it isn't? Property equity can be a complicated journey with many different factors. That is why we have created a pathway to guide users along the journey to examine their assessment, compare it to others, and find out if they have the evidence to challenge their assessment before they go to a lot of expense and trouble. Welcome to the Equity Predictor. Today, we'll tell you what it is, how it works, and why it's the perfect solution. Meet our clients, the Access to Justice Group and the Property Assessment Appeal Board. They are working together to make sure everyone in BC has access to property justice. They came to us with this problem statement.
The vast majority of Canadians with everyday legal problems are not using our formal civil justice processes to resolve their disputes. People find the formal systems too expensive, difficult to understand, and do not find them welcoming.
The board had a website, but it was not engaging the public. So they needed a process that was engaging, easy, quick, and very clear. They wanted some game elements while still taking the user's concerns seriously, and they needed a path with flexible length. The user needs a prediction at the end, but also the ability to go back and experiment. Lastly, our clients wanted a thematic outdoor journey which reflects the character of BC. Our solution? The Equity Predictor, a free, easy way to evaluate property assessment for fairness, which empowers people to take charge of their own process. We provided just enough gamification by using parallax. This technique moves the visual layers at different speeds, creating an illusion of moving through a 3D landscape. The Equity Predictor guides the user step by step through the entire process of evaluating their assessment for fairness, weighing factors like appraisals and market value. In no time at all, many users will have a prediction about the strength of their appeal. For more complex cases, we walk the user through each factor, asking questions to point them in the right direction, even telling them what kind of evidence they would need to be successful. We have even provided a guide, a wise figure to explain every step along the journey.
We will not tell you if you will win or lose your appeal. Instead, we'll show you how to present a strong case and when you probably have a weak case. This guide is for residential and recreational properties. It does not cover farms or commercial and industrial properties.
Our web app has great features for the user. Each unique session has a reference code, so if you leave, you can return and pick up where you left off. And you can print a report with all the information you accumulated to evaluate your assessment. Plus, we added great features for the client. This backend lets them modify changing content, like area tax rates. Another issue very important to our client was inclusion. We made sure to provide a diverse array of character avatars for the user to choose from. So let's meet the superheroes who took this on.
Hi, I'm Anita and I'm UI UX designer. I decided the location of every word on screen.
Hello everyone, my name is Eddie and I'm the front-end developer of the project.
Hi, I am Drawing. I am the back-end developer of the project.
Hi, I'm Sarvi and I helped keep everything organized as well as designing the main characters' avatars.
And I'm Shara, doing graphical support and animation. Here's what makes this team's solution so amazing. For one thing, we checked every box on our client's list of requirements. For another, our solution provides a lot of added value. For example, we repurposed videos from our client's old website, but our animated guide does more than just speak. She can share the screen with infographics, letting them tell the
You can
story.
compare your property with similar properties in either your entire municipality or your neighborhood or a smaller area. Then you need to look at the assessments for those properties and compare them to each of their market values.
Illustrations massively increase the explanatory power of these videos. Finally, the equity predictor goes right to the core of our client's problem statement. The public can be invited to take that step, to get involved in the justice system. The equity predictor increases access to justice.